In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Shopify countdown timer on your password page. We'll start inside your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the option labeled Online Store and click on it. This will open your themes area where you can see a list of all your themes. Your current theme will be at the very top. On that theme, click the button that says Edit Theme or Customize, depending on how your interface is labeled. This will open the theme editor. At the top of the theme editor, you'll see a page selector, which usually defaults to the home page. Click on that drop-down, and from the list of templates, choose the password page. This switches the preview on the right, so you're working specifically on the password page that visitors see before your store launches. On the left panel, look for a section labeled Password. You'll see a small arrow icon next to it. Click that arrow to expand the section and reveal the blocks underneath. Now click Add Block. A list of block types will appear. From this list, choose Custom Liquid. This block lets you insert custom code. Once it's added, you can drag and drop it within the left panel to rearrange the order. A good spot is right under any opening soon text, so the timer appears close to your main message. Next, click on the new Custom Liquid block to open its settings. In the main text box that appears, paste the countdown timer code you're using. Because the code is usually quite long, it can help to pause the video and take your time pasting it carefully so nothing gets missed. As soon as you paste the code, look over to the preview on the right. You should now see your countdown timer appear on the password page. To adjust the launch date, go back to the code in the custom liquid block and look for the comment or line that says something like, "Change your launch date here." In that line, you'll see a new date value in parentheses. Update the date and time inside those parentheses to match your actual launch. If you want to customize the design, such as width, margin, or padding for the countdown wrapper, find those properties in the code and change the number before the PX unit. For background colors or text colors, change the hex code values to your preferred colors. You can search online for a hex color picker to find the exact codes you like. Each time you tweak something, watch the live preview on the right to see your changes in real time. Once everything looks the way you want, go to the top right of the editor and click Save. Your countdown timer is now active on your Shopify password page.